Last video, one AI website builder bombed on camera. Today, a brand new contender wants the crown, and it's completely free. Same brief, same rules, let's find out if it survives. By the end of this video, you'll know if Canva's new tool can actually beat Lovable or if it joins Framer in the loss column. Stick around for the scorecard. Canva Code 2.0 only rolled out to everyone this month. Brand new, barely a couple weeks old. We're testing it days after launch, and anyone can try it free. Right now, no card needed. We're using the exact same PRD Framer fell apart on last video. Let me walk you through it so you can judge how impressive Canva Code's output really is. Let's throw our massive full-stack Aura PRD into Canva Code AI. But right out of the gate, look at this. Unlike the other tools, Canva immediately pushes back.
It explicitly admits it cannot handle databases, user authentication, or backend logic. Instead, it negotiates a degraded, front-end only scope. And the output isn't just a static picture. The on-page routing actually works. You can click into property detail views, and it even wired up a stateful lead capture form that successfully updates the UI when you hit submit. But here is where it falls apart. We strictly demanded a premium, Apple-like aesthetic with glass morphism and modern typography. Canva completely ignored those design constraints, defaulting to a clunky, slightly dated template. It even forgot to build the VIP pricing page it promised just a minute earlier.
The final verdict? Canva Code AI is a fantastic, transparent wireframing tool for rapid, clickable prototypes. But if you need to build actual full-stack software or require absolute control over your design aesthetics, this isn't the tool for you.
Alright, let's put Bolt.new under the microscope. We ran the exact same heavy prompt for our premium real estate portal, Aura. Let's talk fiction. Generation took 9 minutes, but getting a functional preview, 27 minutes. Constant infrastructure struggles, timeouts, and container errors completely break the rapid iteration flow state. Then there's the resource drain. This single run chewed through 101,000 credits. That's 10% of a 1 million credit ceiling. The cost of iteration here is simply too steep for casual trial and error. But we have to give Bolt its due. Once stabilized, the output was staggering. It didn't just spit out a static mockup, it built a structurally sound prototype that perfectly nailed the requested architectural digest aesthetic. More impressively, it executed the complex logic. It built the gated off-market library, working sign-up flows, a personalized dashboard, and state-aware inquiry forms. It essentially wired a complete React application. The final verdict? Bolt is remarkably capable of handling complex logic, delivering massive depth. However, the platform's infrastructure is buckling under its own weight. It's a powerhouse, but currently heavily offset by severe platform friction and a massive credit cost. Alright, we ran the exact same luxury real estate prompt through Lovable AI, and the difference is night and day. Instead of just throwing pictures on a canvas, Lovable instantly maps out a full stack plan with database schemas and routing. Watch the build. It doesn't just write code, it auto-debugs. When it hit TypeScript errors halfway through, it caught them, patched the code, and kept moving. Testing the live app. Look at the top. We have a complete header navigation. No dead ends here. Clicking View Residences opens a working search page with functional bedroom and price filters. And here's where Lovable destroys the competition, the VIP access flow. It's not a fake button, it leads to real authentication. You create an account, log in, and it actually gates the content, unlocking a secret property library and a custom dashboard. The build took 11 minutes and 9 seconds, costing just 6.2 out of 10 daily credits. Framer was faster, but gave us a broken preview. Lovable gave us a fully functional web app. Hands down, Lovable is the clear winner.
Here's the final scorecard. All three tools, same brief. The verdict might surprise you, especially since one of these is completely free to use. If you want a fast, free wireframe, start with Canva Code. If you need the most polished, client-ready build, Lovable still wins. My free build checklist is linked in the description below.
That's the system. Build it once, let it earn on loop. I'll see you in the next one.